Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, today we are creating a celebrity inspired look. This look was inspired by Prince in Purple Rain. For this look I used felt, a cosplay vinyl fabric, satin, lace fabric, a crochet top, a plastic silver embellishment I found at the craft store, silver buttons, black tulle on the bolt, satin ribbon, an elastic band, and the pattern that can be downloaded on my website. This is the Ultimate Crochet Tutu Top pattern, and I will leave a link in the description box below to where you can find this. I'm not going to do a lot of talking and explaining in this video because it's very detailed and it's hard to do a voiceover on this, so I'm just going to let you guys watch. As always, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and let me know what you want to see in upcoming Tutu Tuesday videos. This is a sewing tutorial, so if you don't know how to sew, but that's something that you'd like to learn how to do, after this video, go over to my website and sign up for the upcoming e-course to learn how to sew.